Minsan, ang nagiging layunin ng ating buhay ay hindi natin naasahan. Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po at pagkape at pandasal. Simeon's prophecy about Jesus is a powerful reminder that our purpose in life is rarely what we expect. We often feel immense pressure to be the hero, to achieve perfect grades, or to lead a flawless life. Yet, Simeon didn't foresee a glorious, powerful king. He saw a light for revelation, who would also be a sign that will be opposed and a cause for the rising and falling of many. This message teaches us that our own paths will likely be complex, filled with both moments of light and periods of shadow, struggle, and opposition. Embracing this truth can help us navigate the challenges we face, knowing that real purpose often emerges from a mix of both hardship and glory. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, tulungan mo kaming magtiwala na ikaw ay kasama namin sa bawat hamon at tagumpay sa buhay. Amen.